Hi there everyone, this is just a bit of a follow-up to last week's fill factory. So I said that we'd bring some of those fills that we made to the kit so we can see how more interesting this sound than just a normal standard fill. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one. The first one we rolled up was just that 2-beat fill. Yeah, and when we rolled we got a Coca Cola followed by a hot chocolate. Now normally if someone played that just in a little 2-space gap, they would just stick to 2 drums and play the Coca Cola on one and the hot chocolate on the other. It's a bit boring. We would end up with, yeah, nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't really go anywhere. So it would sound something like that. Okay, perfectly good fill. But after we'd rolled it with our little chart, we ended up with the Coca Cola being around the kit. Yeah, and our hot chocolate was. So it's instantly a much more interesting drum fill. Yeah. A little faster. Okay, the next fill that we came out with, we had a T, then a set of triplets, then another set of triplets, and then a Coca Cola. So if it was just linear around the kit, we would end up with T, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, Coca Cola. Yeah, again, not bad, but a bit boring. Okay, so after we start putting it with the things off our grid, our T was a flam on the snare, followed by the drag triplet. And the next triplet was floor tom and snare. Then the Coca Cola around the kit again. Yeah, you can hear that in a really nice, heavy, slow rock groove, something like this. Okay, so next is some examples that I rolled up, just some different ones. Yeah, I'm starting to start off with a triplet, and then coffee, and 2 Coca Colas. Again, around the kit, it's a bit boring, so how are we going to mix it up? From my grid, I had the triplet going around the kit, yeah, and then the coffee on the snare, and then a Coca Cola on the snare as well. And then the next Coca Cola kind of around the kit, but coming back to the snare. So we end up with. It's pretty good. Now we don't always have to stick to exactly what we roll. We can chop it around and change things if we want to. So I quite fancy coming from the coffee, then the next Coca Cola, instead of all on the snare, I'm going to split it up, snare to high tom. Yeah, so now where the fill's going to go, much more interesting. Try it in a groove. Much better. Let's try and hear it a little faster. Okay, next one's an interesting one, yeah? It sounds pretty basic and a bit boring again if we put it around the kit linear. Coffee, lemonade, tea, coffee, meh. Yeah, but when we rolled it up, our coffee was high tom, floor tom, so I'm going to swap my sticking on there. Instead of right, left, I'm going to go left, right. Then the lemonade, snare, snare, high tom. Now the T, crash and bass drum. Then the last coffee was flam, crash. Okay, so we end up nice drum fill. Let's put it in with a groove. Excellent. So now I can hear something there straight away. So I've taken a fill that I've rolled up that I might not have thought of before, but now within that I can hear something. I want to change it. Because at the end I'm getting coffee and then I'll crash at the start of the next bar. We end up with that going on. So I think I'm going to go, instead of there, I'm going to put that on there. So I'm going coffee, lemonade, tea, coffee. Then I'm going to end up with that pattern twice. I might not have thought to do that had I not rolled up that fill beforehand. Let's listen to it. Putting it with a groove. Okay, last one, just another little short one, just the 2 beats. What I rolled was a hot chocolate tea. Pretty easy. 1, 2. But when we put it around the kit, we ended up, our hot chocolate was crash, mid, snare. And then the tea on the floor tom. Pretty good. I think that might sound good in a part where we're up on the crash already. It's nice. Again, I can hear something, so I'm going to edit it a little bit. I can hear a bass drum before that floor tom. So I'm going to make that, instead of a hot chocolate, I'll make that back end of a set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then my floor. So we'd end up with this. Much better. Might even put another bass drum on the end. Yeah? So loads of different combinations. You can see how we can edit them, we can change them. Try writing them out, put them in your pieces and see how much more interesting you can make your playing.
Well done, drummers. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. See you next time.